Let's face it, the world can be a dangerous place for women. We can find ourselves in frightening situations at a moment's notice, often feeling helpless, afraid, and unprepared. We've all heard stories of women, maybe even women you personally know, who've been a victim of some form of violence. Could we have done more to help prepare women with the right skills and safety education when they are faced with these situations? Today, you and I can work together to help women, including the women in your organization or community, become strong, confident, and fearless. My name is Lisa Johnson. I'm a registered nurse and certified safety defense instructor. I developed the Fearless Female Personal Safety Empowerment System after years of teaching safety instruction. My safety empowerment system is easy, convenient, and has all the right tools for self-defense and personal safety. My goal is to transform women into fearless females who will be strong, prepared, confident, and empowered to stay safe. The Fearless Female Empowerment Kit has everything needed to begin this transformation. The kit includes an instructional safety program and focus mitts to follow along and practice with a family member, coworker, or friend. This program teaches the fundamentals of safety awareness and simple self-defense with numerous safety tools that come in handy in a variety of situations. Tools such as the Safety Empowerment Bracelet with Whistle, the Portable Door Security Lock, the Kitty Defender Keychain and ID carrying case, and much more. We provide everything women need to protect themselves in one safety kit. There's no time to wait to incorporate the Fearless Female Personal Safety Empowerment System into your organization's wellness platform. This program is simple, effective, and provides all the essential tools needed for protection. It's the perfect way to show your organization, your team, and your members that you care about their safety. Begin the transformation today by ordering while supplies last at www.fearlessfemale.net or by clicking on the link below. The Fearless Female Safety Empowerment Kit will help women become strong, more confident, and empowered, all while staying safe.